On today's episode, we're talking about the survival kit for entrepreneurs. If you're ready, let us dive in. Welcome to Growth Academy Podcast with BJ. I am your host, BJ. The mission of this podcast is to share with entrepreneurs and business owners the knowledge and tools needed to properly market themselves to their ideal customer and to position their brand properly. So today's episode we're talking about the survival kit for entrepreneurs. Now, what is the entrepreneur's survival kit? Now, it is the things you need as an entrepreneur to be fully equipped to survive the rigors of entrepreneurship. The life of an entrepreneur is one of discipline and dedication, and the battles or hurdles are usually fought in the mind. So the reason for this episode is to highlight the key things that entrepreneurs need that would somewhat make their entrepreneurship journey easy for them to navigate. Now, we're going to talk about the things in the survival kit, and I'll talk about a solution. So, to win the battles in your mind, you need to know what's the checklist you're working towards, right? Now, what are we working towards? As an entrepreneur, the key things you want to keep up with or work towards is your brand image, consistency, and value to the market, right? So the entrepreneur's survival kit would help you maintain your image, make you stay consistent, and continuously increase your value in the market. So yes, let's talk about the things that are in the survival kit. So there are 4 things in the survival kit that entrepreneurs need to have in order to be able to maintain their brand image, stay consistent, and increase their value in the market. Now, I'm just going to run through the list and I'll take each one and talk more about it. So the first thing on the list is network and team. The second thing is work ethic and accountability. The third thing is self-improvement and learning. And the fourth is marketing, sales, and automations. Now, network and team. The first thing on the list, network and team. As an entrepreneur, you need to have a network or a team of people that you interact with, right? These people would help you stay motivated. They will help you market your product, right? They'll be like your circle of influence where you can help market the things that you want to sell, right? So your network, your team can help you spread the word faster to their own circle of influence, right? Also, what you don't have or what you don't know, you can easily pick up from people in your network, right? So the second thing is work ethic and accountability. Most people do not have a very, very good work ethic. They do not have a good routine, right? That was supposed to help them function properly as entrepreneurs. So creating a plan, a work ethic, and holding yourself accountable when you fall short or you've made a mistake somewhere on your journey, right? Holding yourself accountable, knowing where you've made errors, and then working on fixing it, right? So the third thing in the survival kit is self-improvement and learning. As an entrepreneur, to stay afloat, you need to continuously improve yourself. Why? Because things change, knowledge improves, right? You need to continuously be on top of the knowledge, especially in your industry. You need to grow with your industry. You can't do what your industry was doing in the 80s and think it will work in 2023, right? So you need to continuously learn, continuously improve, right, to stay afloat as an entrepreneur. Now, the fourth thing is marketing, sales, and automation. These are things that you need in order to scale your business as an entrepreneur. You need to be able to market so people can hear about you. You need to be able to sell. You need to be able to position your offer in a way that people would see value in it and take action to buy. And you need to be able to set automation so that you're not always there when your product or service is being sold. These 3 things can help you massively scale your business. So I'll go through the list again. network and team, work ethic and accountability, self-improvement and learning, marketing, sales, and automation. I'll take that again. Network and team, work ethic and accountability, self-improvement and learning, marketing, sales, and automation. Now, if you've listened to my previous episode, I mentioned our community, the Growth Academy community for entrepreneurs. We are maintaining our mission from the podcast and helping entrepreneurs with the tools and knowledge needed to become successful entrepreneurs. Now, the community equips you when you become a member with the tools in the Entrepreneur Survival Kit. Now, let me take you a little deeper. When you join the community, you become part of a network of members and entrepreneurs like yourself who are always enthusiastic to help members of the community. Also, we have an accountability program we run for members of the community where you set a goal you want to achieve within a particular time frame, and you have an accountability partner that would check in to remind you of your schedule that you have set to meet your goal. And you would have to give updates depending on the nature of the goal, on how far you are on your journey. Also, there are several opportunities to learn important skills from mentors, skills like brand design, social media content creation, marketing, digital advertising, sales, automation, forex trading, closing in sales, and even how to import goods from all around the world to your doorstep. Now, the Growth Academy community is big on marketing, sales, advertising, and automations. The skills and knowledge of all four is what you need in order to scale your business. And in the Growth Academy community, we make sure our members are well grounded in marketing, sales, advertising, and automation. Now, if you listen carefully to all I've listed here, these are things that cater to all four of the things in the Entrepreneur's Survival Kit. So if you want to stay on top of your business, you want to be a good entrepreneur, or if you found value in what I've just talked about, there's a link in the description of this video. You can join the wait list of the community to be launching on the 7th of January. So you can join the wait list now. There are loads and loads of benefits for joining the wait list early. So click the link, join, and if you have any questions, you can reach out to me at benedictjr_ on Instagram and Twitter. And till next time, stay awesome, guys.